Hi everybody, I'm Tumi. I'm from Adi Business Services. Adi means earth in the Swahili language. We are devoted to earth. Um, we've got a brand called Modish Eye South Africa. Oftentimes you walk into a store, you walk into Discam, you walk into Clicks, you walk into Pick and Pay, and naturally what you see is, Maybelline New York, Revlon Paris, and etc. We've got a brand that is a personal care product. We manufacture body butters, body scrubs, body lotions, shower gels, which are natural. Our ingredients are derived from products you find in Africa. Our shea butter is from Ivory Coast, so is our coconut oil. Our olive oils are from South Africa. And our brand is actually not just Modish Eye, it's Modish Eye South Africa. Our brand was motivated by my personal story and my struggles with skincare, where I could never find anything that worked for me on the, from the commercial ranges and on the shelves. And I sort of engaged in a long research activity, and I came up with winning formulas that are working, that are nourishing our skin, because oftentimes we sold a lot of imports that are not necessarily adaptable for our skin. What we've done is we've taken advantage of the new trend in the industry, which is called cosmeto food, which creates a synergy between food and cosmetics, which is why our body butter is not just a body butter, it's called a body pudding, and it comes in different flavors. We've got the strawberry, we've got pomegranate, we've got blueberry, we've got a fragrance-free for those with sinuses and can't handle smell and scent. Our shower gels are free of toxins, parabens, and unnatural foaming agents. Our value proposition is that we not only focus on skin care, like a lot of commercial products are, we focus on skin nutrition, in that we make sure that all the ingredients that we use are actually good for your skin, and they hydrate your skin and they keep you moisturized for 24 hours. A lot of women are busy, with the hustle and bustle of urban life, and can't afford to go to, or don't always have the time to go to spas every week or every 2 weeks. And what we give you is a home spa treatment, where every day when you use your personal care product, you're not just putting on moisturizer, or you're not just taking a shower with shower gel because it's what you're supposed to do, it's routine.